here is this kind of black gray with some of the white veins popping out. Will be the same. We're going to use the faux pas. We're going to create that stamp again, giving us that light marbling.
And we're just doing the center.
I'm just going to do the center here because if you know anything about soapstone, soapstone is very sparse in its design. So I'm just going to put on very lightly, hoping you can see that one too. So again, this is going to look pretty pronounced here. That's just wrong, you did it wrong. There isn't any, so you do whatever you want to do there, however much you want to create in there. So now after you have that on, you take your dry roller again, because remember we're just using antiquing gel. You're going to go over that, just quick soften. Yes, please. Yes. Now here goes the beauty. We are using oil rub black. Just so you can see here, oil rub black is a warm black. Although we did do iron gate on the bottom, and iron gate, as you know, is totally black. But oil rub black going over the top of that is where the beauty comes in. Go back and add just a tiny bit more of the antiquing. The one that we painted over as we were putting our ideas together here, but it can look just that real and that easy and that fast to do.